Hot Dogs Customs again, doing some, again. But this time I didn't damage anything.
No.
It was purely brand new project.
Perfect.
And Daniel doesn't want to be on video. Daniel, come on. Anyway, Daniel did an amazing job with the motor. He just pinstriped it.
I know.
Check this thing out. What'd you do to this thing?
First we knocked down all the casting, knocked down some of the welds, smoothed it out a little bit, then we put high build primer on it, sanded it smooth so it looks like glass now.
Beautiful.
Base coated it the color it needed to be, cleared it, and then pinstriped it.
Looks gorgeous. And this is going in Tim Allen's car. He's got these green rims, and we decided it'd be really cool to kind of accent that car because the motor's gonna be really, really far forward on that. And you're gonna see this part, which like in some of our builds, this is tucked in under the firewall, so it doesn't really get exposed.
Cool.
So now since it's sticking out, let's make it look pretty, man. Thank you so much. This looks sick.
You got it, dude. Enjoy it.
Awesome, bro.
Give it together and give it back.
Cool.